Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the essentials. Update your iPhone 14 Pro to the latest iOS and sign into your Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is stable and the phone has at least 50% battery or is charging. Why? Because the initial setup downloads models and config files that need time and power. Now open Settings, tap on your name, then go to iCloud, and ensure the toggles for the intelligence features you want are enabled. You now enable Apple Intelligence features inside Siri and Search and related privacy screens. Go to Settings, Siri and Search, turn on Listen for Hey Siri, and allow suggestions in Search. This gives contextual assistance. Next, enable personalization or knowledge and context so the device learns from your usage. This is how it tailors responses. Then check privacy settings like location services. Allow when necessary, so suggestions and predictions match your environment. Make sure to review app permissions. You finish by restarting your iPhone to let background model downloads and indexing complete. This speeds up responsiveness. Once restarted, test Apple Intelligence with simple prompts. Ask Siri, search photos with text, or try a messages summary, so you confirm functionality and trigger further personalization. If things misbehave, reset Siri and Search settings or sign out and back into your Apple ID. That clears stale tokens or partial configs. And if indexing seems slow, leave the phone on Wi-Fi and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.